Hey, what's up guys? Randy Rektor here, back with another video, and today we're doing an unboxing of the RLSOCO Mavic Air 2 case, and I'm gonna be giving one of these away at the end of the video, so stick around to figure out how you can be entered in to win a free case.
Have you looked at the case yet?
No, I'm just unboxing it.
Oh, I hope it's good.
Yeah, I do too. I think
that'd be like the best case scenario.
All right, so this is the case here. First impressions, definitely a nice quality material. It's actually pretty stiff. Like I didn't think that this would have the kind of support that it does, so that's kind of cool. So first and foremost, the price, this case comes in at $49 US. Just looking over, so you got your handle on the top here. This is like a thick rubber and it's really nicely fastened on the side. So like this isn't gonna tear out of the case anytime soon. You've got a zipper here with rubber. Oh, these are like, yeah, they're like rubber. And it has a TSA lock on it, so you can fly with this as well and put a TSA lock on there. I do like that these zippers are shielded inside the fabric. So as you open them up, it kind of exposes the zipper. And that's really nice because you do get a nice solid seal on this. All right. Sweet, so it comes with a little warranty card, some gels. And then we have the shoulder strap. This is like a really nice thick seatbelt material, like there's no give to that, it's good quality. Clasps feel pretty good as well. Clasps. There's like a little metal clip to go on the outside. I have to say, I've never really used these. I have a little drawer in my closet up here full of shoulder straps. Something about the shape of my shoulders maybe that these never really stay on, so I usually just go with the handle. And I also hate when you put this in the trunk and you have a bunch of straps kind of dangling off. I'm just not a huge fan of those, but nice to have. In the bottom, we have this thing, and I'm pretty sure this is, yeah, it's removable. This is pretty sweet. So why I like this is you can actually put things underneath here that aren't very important, like papers. I know in Canada, we have to carry our pilot's license with us all the time, but you never take it out unless you get stopped by authorities or something like that. So this would be something I'd put in the bottom there, and then it's kind of out of sight, out of mind. You could also put your, what is it called, your maintenance log and stuff like that. All these things you're supposed to keep with your drone. Take the drone, that obviously pops right in here. Okay, yeah, that's a good snug fit. Yeah, nice, cool. And we do have room for the entire Flymore kit, so you can actually store up to 3 batteries in here. Got the controller, and one thing that's nice is you don't have to take off your the thumb toggles. You can actually just leave them on. So it just goes in there like this, and the Velcro goes on. Pretty sweet, holds it nice and snug. And I carry a whole bunch of other things with me usually, so I've got my power brick. That'll also fit in this side section here. So that's pretty much it for the bottom section. You really just have your power, your batteries, your controller, and the drone itself. Then you flip up this top section. We've got some little stretchy elastic sections here to fit basically anything you want, like cables or your SD cards, your SD card readers, anything like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and start filling this up. So you got these SD card adapters that you can just slide in here. Got your little controller adapters for your cell phone. Those fill up pretty sweet. They're nice and snug, so things aren't really gonna come out of there. And then we have this additional section here with the zipper. And this, for context, I don't know if you can see, but it's about 1 inch deep. You can kind of tell by the shape of the lid there. So this will fit things like this. I carry my additional feet. These are like the extension feet that will prop your drone up if you're trying to take off in tall grass or that kind of thing. We've got some ND filters. These are my newer ND filters. And I carry one of these sun visors for the controller just to kind of block out the sun. Thumb grips. I'm gonna put those in one of these little pouches. And I can even fit an iPad Air in here. Let's see, I think I can. I think this should work. Looks like it's gonna work. Okay, sweet. So I probably wouldn't bring that much stuff with me, but it's definitely nice to see sort of a proof of concept that you can fit this much stuff. So like an iPad charger, an iPad, the whole Flymore kit if you wanted to. All right, so what are the pros and cons of this case? So pros, definitely the form factor. It is significantly smaller than one of these cases. Like if I put these side by side here, you can see this fits more, and it's like, would you say like 70% of the size of this case. If I put them this way, you can kind of see here, they're about the same width, but I mean, like you're getting that much extra height. One thing that I like about this is you can't pinch your hand in this. Whereas with this, every time I put this in my car, I seem to lose a finger. So this is a little bit safer. I just think a little bit more practical for like the day-to-day carry with the drone. Like if I was taking this to a beach for a weekend trip or something like that, this would honestly be more than enough support. But also it's not gonna slide around. Like I find one of the issues with the hard case is that I put it in the trunk, and because it's like plastic on carpet, it just slides around and smashes the inside of my trunk. Whereas I feel like this will just sit a little bit better. And some of the cons here, I found that the zipper is a little bit less quality than I would like. Like you can see it wobbles a little bit here. And these, sometimes I close it and they actually close on the wrong side of how they sort of interlock with each other. So that's a little bit annoying. This isn't a huge deal. I'm not gonna be putting a TSA lock on it anytime soon. I'm actually quite happy with this. I feel like this meets my needs a lot better than the hard case. I think the hard case is a bit overkill for what I need. Of course, it's better protection. Like I could probably stand on that, whereas this would take like, you know, maybe 50, 60 pounds of pressure. Like, yeah, it's pretty good. I mean, unless like luggage was falling on this, probably gonna hold up pretty well. Of course, in a backpack or something like that, this is plenty of protection. And I mean, that's about it. Now I did mention we're doing a giveaway. If you guys wanna be entered into the giveaway to win your own Mavic Air 2 case, all you have to do is comment down below and make sure you're subscribed to the channel. And at the end of the month, February 28th, I'm gonna draw a winner, and RLSOCO has agreed to send out a new Mavic Air 2 case for that lucky winner. So big thank you to RLSOCO for sponsoring this video and helping out with this giveaway. And I hope that this video was immensely helpful for you. We'll see you guys in the next one. I just got back from the grocery store and they gave me this. Look at this. Look at that. I'm so freaking excited about this.